this video, we'll go over downloading and installing Wireshark on Windows 10. So I will start by going to wireshark.org and we'll go to download, and we'll download the Windows installer 64-bit, and we'll wait until the installation or the download just finishes up. And we'll open that. I will keep everything here as it is. I will not change anything, and I will keep the destination folder as it should be, and I will install npcap alongside with this installation, and I will not check the USB pcap, and we'll wait until the installation finishes. Click I agree, and I will not choose anything here, so I will just click install, next, finish, and next, and we're done. Now I will go to the search bar and type Wireshark such that it pops up and we can choose it and open it up, and we'll go to the Wireshark icon and click on it to run Wireshark. And here we go. In the next video, I will show you how to configure the look of Wireshark after downloading a PCAP that we'll use as our first PCAP to look at. You'll find the link for the next video in the description below.